Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1966 MGB Roadster. It's finished in mineral blue, very attractive, black interior, 4-speed with overdrive, wire wheels. Very, very nice, fresh restoration on this car. I think this is the third car. So noisy here today. This is the third car that we've purchased from this restorer, and he really knows these cars. He does a great job on them. And so this car's finished in its, I believe it's the original color of mineral blue. It's a 41,000 mile car, wires, overdrive. I mean, brilliant colors, brilliant options. So let's take a walk around this car. You'll really like it. It's a very honest car. So paint's new. It's not incredibly perfect show condition, but it is very, very nice for an MGB. But like I said, fresh paint. This car has a brand new set of floors fitted underneath. I could see that they've been very well installed and undersealed and undercoated nicely. So, but really good panel fit on this car. Little tiny bump up here, which is typical on this edge where the hood stick is, the trunk stick. But pretty good panel fit. Lovely new set of wheels and tires. Chrome work is all new, or at least excellent original stuff mixed with a bunch of new chrome items. So it looks like the bumpers are new. All this badging's beautiful and new. Knockoffs are new. Door handles are excellent. All this bright work here is in really good condition. The car's got a new windshield fitted, new lower rubber. So all this came apart here that you're seeing and was restored and put back together nicely, with all new rubber seals fitted. So yeah, overall really good body and paint. Like I said, it's fresh paint job, but it's not a $10,000 paint job. It's probably a $4,000 or $5,000 paint job. Interior wise, this car is spectacular. This has all been renewed. The dash has been repainted in the correct crackle finish. It's fitted with a Modellita wheel. This looks like all the original vinyl to me. This is in excellent shape and it's original. Excellent, really good quality cup pile carpet kit. Seats have been trimmed beautifully with this light shadow blue piping, which is correct on a mineral blue car. But as you can see here, brand new panel kit. Even the corner panels here are nice. Seat belt sets fitted. What I like about this car is you pull this back and you see they took their time and they painted all the bodywork inside and out, even in the trunk. So it's had a real nice restoration there. Carpets fit great. Door sills are new, but very, very nice, comfortable, beautiful interior there. Here's the passenger door panel. That's just perfect. Everything's been recovered. You can see all nice new rubber stripping here. All the fuzzies have been replaced. So this guy, he knows these cars. He knows what he's doing. Car has a new wiring harness fitted. You can see here. It's all nicely painted in the trunk here. There's a box of spares. There's some extra keys. There's some paperwork to the restoration. There's the original jack here. So nice fitting trunk lid, you can see. Really lovely. I'll show you the driver's side here. So you can see nice driver door panel. Up under here, it's all nice and clean and tidy. Yeah, let's take a look in the car's engine compartment. Hood pops open real nice and easy. So under here, very nice, highly detailed, nicely restored. You can see all new brakes. We need to give this a little wipe down. There's a little bit of dust on it, but it is in excellent condition as part of the restoration. All new wiring harness. All the body in here was painted nicely with the exterior bodywork. The engine's completely detailed. Very, very nice and pretty clean sanitary engine compartment. New generator, all new electrical. I think he said a new clutch, and everything was resealed, and a lot of rebuilding going on here with a lot of new items. But under kit here for the hood. So there's a final overview of that very well detailed engine compartment. So yeah, stunning, you know, very well restored 1966 MGB Roadster, 4-speed with overdrive that works beautifully on the car. Wire wheels, mineral blue, black interior. There is a handsome navy blue soft top for this car. You can see in the still photos. Just an absolute knockout with that blue top fitted. And you know, we're lucky to get Mark 1s in here with overdrive units. They were very rare to start with the overdrive unit. A bit more common as the cars got older, but these early Mark 1 Roadsters fitted with overdrive, super desirable, especially a low mileage car like this. If you look at the still photos, you can see the undercarriage on this car is fantastic. Brand new exhaust fitted, all the suspension's been completely rebuilt in the front, all new brakes. So mechanically drives exceptionally well. You can see me driving it around the streets here. Very tight gearbox, very powerful, correct 5-main engine. Just really drives tight, really drives well. You can tell it's freshly restored and the guy knew his stuff. But a nice sorted turnkey 66 MGB Roadster, mineral blue, black, wire wheels, overdrive, navy blue soft top. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.